Hi, Patrick. Good morning.
Good morning, Lisa.
Tell me a little bit about your law firm. I know you focus in on drunk driving cases. Right?
Drunk driving is all we do. There's 4 lawyers and 5 support staff, a team of professionals whose job is to win drunk driving.
Why did you decide to practice that area of the law?
Lisa, I have a background in biology, and biology and the science background helps me understand breath and blood testing.
And that's the key to drunk driving cases, isn't it?
It is. In Michigan, almost always a person will have either a breath or blood test. And unless the lawyer understands those tests, they're doomed.
How technical are those tests?
They're very technical. Breath testing involves infrared spectroscopy, and blood testing involves gas chromatography, both of which are technical sciences.
Both of which are words that you understand and I don't. But when you get into the courtroom, you have to know that stuff, don't you?
That's right, because I'm there to educate the jury and the judge and sometimes the prosecutor.
How tough are the penalties in Michigan for drunk driving?
They can be very severe. It depends on the severity of the underlying offense. For example, in Michigan, we just passed a super drunk law. So if the breath or blood test is above a .17, the traditional penalties are doubled, including up to 180 days in jail.
Wow. And this is the kind of thing that stays on someone's permanent record, right?
It'll be there from the time they get arrested until their tomb.
And that can affect, for example, employment. If I'm filling out an employment application 10 years from now and I'm asked, have you ever been criminally convicted, I would have to put that down?
Our client's #1 concern is their employment.
Yeah.
And jail. But employment is always right up there. And they're always concerned about the fact that a drunk driving offense is going to follow them through the rest of their career.
What's your approach to client service in your firm?
Client service, of course, it's #1. That's why we're there. We're there to serve the client. In fact, our firm mission is to win back our client's life, and we take that very seriously.
Will I be able to get you on the phone if I'm a client of your firm?
One of the things that we pride ourselves in is being readily accessible. If I'm not available, for example, if I'm in court, I have a large support staff or other lawyers who can help answer the client's question.
And are you going to explain the process to me if I have to go through it?
It's very important for me to help you as the client understand what to expect. Because one of the major problems or concerns of a client is the fear of the unknown. And if we can remove that fear, we can really help the client win back their life.
All right, so if I've been arrested for driving under the influence in the state of Michigan, why should I call you?
Because my firm is there to win their case. And there's no other law firm in Michigan of our size or of any size that gets better results for the client.
And I would add, we certainly need a specialist in this area of the law. You don't want a general practitioner.
Unquestionably, because the attorney will be dealing with complicated science as well as complicated law. Unless they have a mastery of both, the client is doomed.
All right, Patrick, great talking to you today. Thank you so much.
It was nice to see you. Thank you.